tuned for the next video with the kids in it, because we'll have them answer after.
Liddy gang, Liddy gang gang. I'm so fresh, yeah.
Yo, what's the deal, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy HD, Marie, Lonnie, and Lil D. Today we're going to be answering some questions that you guys left in the community section. And also we having the sausage, rice, and cucumber because the kids were feeling a little bit salty because we did it without them when they was at their grandma's house. But hey, we back at it.
Again.
And plus it's a light meal, so I'm glad we're doing this because I wanted something light and refreshing.
Plus you love that boil sauce.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah, you guys. So thank you for everybody who left questions in the community post and also on Instagram. If you're not following our Instagram, make sure you follow it. It is just Ghetto Vegans. We do a lot of updates on there. So make sure you guys are following to keep up to date with us.
Yep.
Yeah, again, thank you to everybody who left a comment. Babe, let's get into prayer because I'm starving.
You. Dear Heavenly Father, Lord, forgive us for our sins. Thank you for this food that you blessed us with. Bless the hands of prepared, Lord. In your precious name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Let me see what this bell pepper
Yeah, you guys. So we're going to eat a little bit and then we're going to get to the questions. We didn't even tell them what we had. Oh, babe. Thumbnail. Oh, shit. Come on.
All right, let's do that thumbnail.
This is kind of like the other video.
Y'all ready? Thumbnail, you ready? Let's get it.
Grab a
1,
corn, dear.
2, 3.
There, put it on that hand because they can't see it. You left-handed. You always forget. Come on, 1.
1, 2, 3. Still can't see it, but it's cool. Let's get it in though.
Oh, babe, did you give them a close-up before we get in?
Yeah, let me give you guys a close-up real quick.
Them peppers are good. This food's bomb.
All right, let me give you guys a close-up real quick. One thing, bam.
Yeah, you guys, while babe getting his camera or his phone, we have sausages, apple sage, basmati rice, or is that jasmine?
I think that was one of them.
We got some Persian cucumbers, some sweet corn, and red bell pepper. And then our vegan sauce. If you guys want to know how to make this sauce, definitely check out our recipe. We'll link it down below.
All right, fam, let me give you guys this close-up real quick. That's that plate right there. You already know who plate that is. It's always designed right. Made by who? Your boy. Gang. That's that sauce right there looking lovely. The whole plate. But this the close-up, fam. I'm about to get it in. I can't wait any longer. Gang. Yeah, so that's that close-up for y'all, fam.
Have y'all tried this yet? With the cucumber and rice and sausage? Let us know if y'all tried the vegan boil sauce as well.
So good.
Look at this, y'all. Let me get the napkin so I don't drip it everywhere, but look at that.
Let me get some rice. Excuse me.
This is so good.
This rice is bomb.
It is, huh? When you dip it.
This is my corn. I haven't eaten none of it. I haven't eaten none of my corn either. You guys, we is hungry. You can see.
I seen a lot of you guys in the comments say y'all gonna try this. If y'all tried it, let me know. Was it bomb? Was it okay?
Dang.
Lana over here choking. Sauce too spicy for you?
No. Went down the wrong pipe. I hate when that happens. I know.
Yeah, a lot of you guys be talking about some. There's too much smacking. What do you expect when you got this smackalicious boil sauce? Come on now. Plus, it's 4 heads on the table. I mean, some type of smacking.
And a mic, y'all.
Alright, now I'm gonna eat some of my corn. Have you, Derry? Have you ate some of your corn?
I ate this again.
Oh my gosh. So you guys, look. I know you guys is finna just your mouth finna water. So I'm dipping in that sauce.
Yeah, I know how I used to always talk about I play Fortnite a lot. So now I don't play Fortnite no more. I play this new game called Brawlhalla. If you guys play that, then tell me. That game's fun.
It's called who? Brawlhalla?
Here, y'all. Get that bite of that corn.
Yeah.
You know that game?
Hmm?
You know that game?
Look, you guys.
I know you've been talking about you've been on a new game though.
Yeah.
And then you pour that lemon. Oh my gosh, I know your mouth's watering.
All right, let's get with question number 1. We got the fam waiting. I know they want to see if they
Get picked.
they ask. I mean, they question gonna get asked.
Yeah, you guys.
Answer.
We got a lot of questions that came in, so thank you and shout out to y'all for that. So we might have to do a part 2 with the questions, but we're gonna answer as many as we can. Let me get a bite of this corn. Now I'm gonna go in with the first question.
Smacking.
Get a bite or a few bites.
Shut up.
Let me try the pepper. Do you dip it in the sauce?
It's really good. You don't like it?
No.
I'll take your peppers.
Yeah, you guys. That tastes kind of weird.
There we got tricked.
What do you say?
Because Lana said, you said, do you like it?
How about these?
And then Lana said no, and then Derek said because it's.
Derry thought.
He thought he was in there. Alright.
I actually don't like it, fam.
Too crazy. It's bomb. And she likes the mini peppers, which is crazy. They taste the same to me.
These do not.
Oh,
Those
God,
are
there's
not
only
sweet.
2 left.
Alright, for me and Mom, been smacking those.
Y'all been crunching them?
Oh yeah, that's right. That's one of the questions too. Y'all favorite.
I was wondering, like, what the heck happened to all the little peppers?
Me and Derry happy. Crunchy all of them.
All right. Should I start on Instagram or YouTube?
Insta. Follow our Insta.
Yeah, I
Ghetto
think Instagram
Vegan.
has the least
Hey.
amount of questions, so we're gonna go there. Whew. This is so good.
That corn, bomb. Like, look at you guys.
This rice.
Hey, you guys want a refreshing cucumber? Take a bite. I know there's no salt, it's just refreshing.
Okay. So I'm gonna start from the bottom. It said, "What's your favorite vegan meal?" Who wants to
But
start?
who said that though? Who asked us that?
I didn't want to get into the names. I'm bad at names.
That's cool.
Vegan Mom AF said, "What's your favorite vegan meal?"
Ooh, I'll start. That's a tough one, you guys. So I do like spaghetti. I like chili dogs. I like
You like?
I like
love.
tostadas. I like
Girl,
etc.
they said
I like
pick
everything,
one.
you guys. I can't pick one. I like everything.
It depends whatever mood she in.
That too.
Sometimes she in the mood for but every time, y'all, funny thing, it don't matter what mood she in for what. If I say what you want to eat for dinner, she always say spaghetti.
True.
Always.
Spaghetti or chili dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So that's your favorite.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite is probably, I really hard to make this, but it's, what is it called?
What's that called?
Lasagna.
Oh, lasagna.
Man,
Ooh.
lasagna low key one of mine too.
Lasagna is really good. Okay, so next question is Carolina Miranda. She said, "What do your classmates think?"
Hold on, okay.
What, that were vegan?
Mm-hmm.
They give, like, whenever I bring food, they want to try it. They really don't care.
They be like, hook it up, Darian.
All right.
That, like, I like taking the leftovers for food, like, whatever we have for dinner, and then whenever I bring them to school, my friends just like, Like, last time I brought boiled, my friends just was tapping me.
Oh, they love. I remember. Yeah, he said that. He said they was loving the boil.
That's cool.
Their favorite part is the potatoes with the boiled sauce.
Okay. What about you, Lil Lonnie?
My classmates, they don't care, honestly. They're just like, all they say to me is, "You're actually vegan?" Like, that's the only question that has a little bit.
That's all right. I was just about to say, I was about to ask that too. Like, were they surprised? Like, Derry, when your friends found out, were they like surprised?
My friends doesn't even be surprised.
Yeah,
It's
my
the
friends either.
Like the teachers, whenever I tell them, they be like,
True.
"You're vegan?" and stuff.
Yeah, they be like, "You're actually vegan?" Like, the classmates
like, "What do
and
you
the teachers
eat?"
say that.
Oh, the teacher is more
Yeah.
concerned than the students.
They be asking you questions and stuff.
Sometimes my teacher be like, well, my old teachers, 8th grade, you know? They be like, "I would do it, but I can't give up that dairy cheese." I was all like, "Well, it's super easy. All these vegan options."
Okay.
Look, my TA, every day he was like, "You still vegan?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "What's in your lunchbox?" And then I'll open it, and then he's like, "That's meat." I was like, "Oh yeah, that's vegan meat." And then he's like,
You like what?
What's in that lunchbox? They be making sure they you sticking to your word. Are you vegan? Let me see what you
Let me
what
see
you bought
what
for
that
lunch.
is. Okay. All right. Next question goes to foodie_tings. She asked 2 questions. Well, no, she put it's one question. She said, "Is it hard to fight temptation? Do you feel left out if your friends are eating non-vegan and you can't eat the food?"
You guys, so honestly, no, because like I have that same alternative, so it's like, okay, I'm eating the same thing that you are.
I know,
I'm just
like-
not harming animals.
yeah, like if my friends, like, let's say they bring, I don't know, whatever.
A hot dog. Or
Yeah, a
something.
hot dog. I can just make a vegan one and chili dog at that.
Yeah, that's better.
The kids have done that before. They'll be like, "Oh, Mom, can you guys make this but vegan?" They'll ask for it. So, yeah.
I'm just eating this rice. This rice is bomb.
The rest is good.
Oh, you guys, on the last question, sorry, I'm a little around the place, but my friends do say, some of them do say, "I feel so bad for you." I'm like, why you feel bad for me?
Right.
It's my choice.
Okay. All right, y'all, I'm going. Hold on.
They probably say they feel bad for you because they don't know what vegans eat. They probably just think it's all rabbit food. Until you talking about Ghetto Vegan YouTube and bust their eye.
I'm saying.
Mom, what's the next question?
I'm getting to it. Wait a minute.
Munching on that
You're
food.
making me feel like Selena. Remember she was like that? Wait a minute. Okay. So the next person is...
Water.
I know, I need some water.
No, the family.
Yeah, that's what I get for being greedy. I done spilled it all over my shirt. I'm just drinking lime water.
I'm waiting too.
Can y'all
Take
pass
over
me a
there.
napkin?
Huh?
Ooh.
A napkin, please.
Okay, so the next
Thank you.
question. Oh, excuse me. Is from XJLXX_. They had 2 questions. One says, do they ever get tempted in eating dairy by their peers?
like milk. Y'all know what dairy is.
That's basically like the last question. Like, no. Me and Dairy have alternatives, right, Dairy?
Yeah, like, whenever we like first started, I'll probably like slip up and eat some. Like me and Lana would call it our cheat day, and then
Oh, yeah, that too.
yeah, but like now, not really, cause I can just get the same thing.
Yeah, true.
Mm-hmm.
Like, me and Dairy wasn't that educated on veganism when we first started, so it was just a little vegetarian.
Well, y'all answering them questions quick. I can't even get to my food.
I know.
Okay. Same person says, do they ever have peers argue with them over being vegan or try to test their knowledge?
Okay. I'm definitely going first for this one. So, my friends is always saying, you need meat. You need meat. What? What are you supposed to do? Just look at the cow? No. You're supposed to eat it. And I'm like, what? Sometimes I don't even feel like arguing with them. I'm just like, okay. Because, like, I don't have time for it. Like, I don't like talking to people that's knowledge, but...
That's closed-minded?
Yeah, but, yeah, that's what my friends be saying. We be always having those type of fights sometimes.
Okay.
Do your friends do that there?
No, not at all.
They said not at all.
They just want your food, huh?
My friends be like, whenever I bring my food, they be like, this was about to make me turn vegan.
Yeah. I remember Derry had a friend out. Remember he said, I'm vegan now, Derry.
Oh yeah.
But he was still eating.
Yeah, you guys, my friends, they be like, they only wanted to try my mom's desserts, though.
Like
when I be bringing it to school, that's all they wanted to try.
My auntie also like my auntie Taylor, she always be like, I'm vegan, but she be eating meat and all.
I know, and she be like this. It's so cute. She be like, this tastes like vegan meat, so it's vegan.
She's 4 years old.
Yeah, she's a little baby. She's so cute.
Woo!
She's so cute. She's not vegan at all, but she always be like, I'm vegan. I'm with the Liddy gang.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
if she did like something that's not vegan, we be like, that's not vegan. She be like,
Yeah, she'll pretend to spit.
And then we'll be like, it's vegan, because we be like trying to like let her eat. But
Yeah, my little sister, as soon as we say something like that, like, that's not vegan, she run to the trash can and spit it out.
So, yeah.
and then last time she seen some meat on the table, she grabbed it. She said, we can't have this in my house, and she threw it away.
Oh, my gosh. I love Taylor. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah,
All right.
She's 4 years old, you guys. My sister 4 years old. She be on it.
Okay. Shout out to you, Taylor, if you watching this. Let me see.
gang?
All right. What? What?
You said, let me see. Yeah.
Y'all, I'm sorry. This is so good and I'm hungry.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm ready for this question.
So this question is from Lauren in McDonald. She said, no question. Just a big thank you for being a great example for other kids. Aw, thank you, Lauren. We appreciate that.
You know, I tried.
There, you said thank you. Shout out to you, Terica. She said, why are they my favorites? She is hilarious.
To my Aunt Terica.
Shout out to Dreamy Sunshine. It's my girl. She said, no questions. Just love how open they were to doing it. Oh, excuse me. Next person, _. I think it's Marie, but she put, Maria, but she put an underscore in between the M and A.
Yeah, Maria 95.
So Maria 95. She said, what's your favorite vegan meal dish that each of your parents make?
I hope this is not a dream, because this is bomb.
So, my favorite... Dare you want to go first?
What? Well, I didn't hear the question. I was eating.
She said, what is your favorite dish or meal that your parents make?
Wasn't that just like the last question?
Was it spicy?
that's something?
Yeah, we
Oh,
already
no.
went down that
Roll
one.
through.
Oh,
I said
the
chili
roll
dog
through.
spaghetti.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we
But I
already.
guess you mean like
That happened to
each
me.
parent.
I had to cut it out last
Like
video.
your
I
dad.
choked so long.
Like what your dad made.
Oh, okay, you guys. So basically,
Like
we already
individually.
said this question, but it's like basically like, what is your favorite meal from each parent? So my favorite meal from my dad, definitely chili dogs. My dad is like seasoned so good. Mom,
Come
you're
on,
good at
man.
making
Y'all
it.
don't even know the
Come on,
deal.
Dad. Come on.
No, I can't do it. All this boiled.
My favorite meal from my dad is tacos. From my mom is
Yeah, your dad made good tacos.
You already know I love mine.
and then from my mom.
From my mom, I like her tuna.
enchiladas. I mean, lasagna.
Oh yeah.
From my mom, I like her tuna sandwiches. Come on, Mom. Come on. And then I like her spaghetti, of course.
Y'all don't try to hate when the kids try to pump up the dad, but then
They don't gas me
they,
up.
they always gas the
It's
dad
just
up.
facts.
They don't
They
gas
are.
me
They
up.
always gas the dad up and leave us hanging. Moms, leave a comment down below if y'all know what I'm talking about. Kids always try to gas up the dad.
Yeah, okay. Y'all don't try to gas me up. Mine's be top
My
shelf.
dad's already fired.
I'm done. Okay, so
I'm getting stuff too.
you are. Okay, so
You got a seed?
okay, so
That tastes
wait. What does it say? Amanda say what? Oh, Amanda say what? I guess. So I think I got it right. Sorry if I butcher y'all names. I'm horrible. And y'all be having some creative usernames. I think this one says Amanda say what? She says, what would you suggest to help my kid transition to veganism easier?
So for my road that I went on, I just watched the slaughterhouse. I'm just kidding.
Slaughterhouse.
Me and Derry went Vegetinos. What? Me and Derry went vegetarian, and that helped us because like me and Derry were only vegetarian for like a few months, and it was just like my mom and dad eating the same thing that we eating, and I transitioned. Derry did too though.
What advice you gonna give them to?
so.
Before there start. So your advice was basically
Cut me out.
transition by going vegetarian and then
Yeah,
slowly taking stuff away.
yeah. Even though my mom's a G, she went right to it, but I'm a kid. So.
You're like 2, 3.
Who y'all for now?
You full dad?
I'm getting there.
Alright.
Derek, what's your advice?
So first, like, let them be like vegan for like a couple of days, and then like if they want to eat like something like vegan, that's gonna be their cheat day, and then after like they get used to that, they should like be vegan for a little
Like
bit.
slowly.
What you was telling me earlier that they should have the same meals but veganized. What'd you say or something like that?
Oh yeah, I said if your kid is like a picky eater or something like that, you can just give them the same thing they eat, but just veganize it, and then tell them if you like that, like better. That tastes the same like the regular stuff they be eating.
Or don't even tell them it's vegan. And see how they react to it.
And then you buy it's vegan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But anyways, you guys, it's the first problem time. Yes, I said real time. But anyways, so that language was Latin. So yeah, let's see what's in this boil grill today. Gang. All right, so you guys, let's see the first riddle. All right, so you guys ready? You guys ready? Tell me right now. All right. Tom's height is 6 feet. He is an assistant at a butcher shop and wears size 12 shoes. What does he weigh? So you guys have 5 seconds to comment down below, or pause the video, or rewind the video to hear the question once again. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so what do you guys think it is?
Go ahead and read that again.
or fast forward the video. Tom's height is 6 feet. He is an assistant at a butcher shop and wears size 12 shoes. What does he weigh? Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad.
Meat.
Yes, Mom.
Wait,
yes.
what?
Yes, he weighs meat because he's a butcher. He works at a butcher shop.
Butcher.
I thought you thought like his weight, like
Yeah.
how many pounds?
No. Alright, you guys, so
I
give
got
it up to my mom. Put
Yeah.
a clapping emoji in the comment section. Hashtag Marie. No, it's hashtag Mom.
Hashtag Marie.
Anyways, you guys, so the second one. Your mother and father have a child. It is not your brother and your no, hold on. Sorry. Your mother and father have a child. It is not your brother and it is not your sister. Who is it? So you guys have 5 seconds to comment down below your answer in the comment section or pause the video or rewind the video to hear the question once again. 5, Mom.
4.
Dad.
2.
1. Okay. Alright, you guys. So.
Try to switch it up on us.
Alright, so you guys need me to reread it?
One more time.
Alright, listen closely, Dad and Derry.
Alright, come on.
Your mother and father have a child. It is not your brother and it is not your sister. Who is it?
Your siblings.
Huh?
They have a child?
Mm-hmm.
She's still pregnant?
No.
It's twins.
No.
It's you.
Dad, yes! Yes, Dad.
I don't get it.
Got it. Babe. Okay, we coming through.
I don't get it.
You coming through with the
Because
riddle.
Derry, it's not your brother or your sister, it's you that was born. Derry said,
Oh my God. That was good. Lana, those were
those
good.
are good riddles.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm full. That was really good. All right, I'm going to read like 2 more questions before we sign off. And then we'll finish in another video. You
That's
guys.
all Instagram questions?
You want me to go to? Well, because they're all in the list.
Disrespecting the two.
Yeah, let's go back.
Nope.
Let's go to YouTube. We already answered
We
enough.
almost done with this one.
I guess we'll do a part 2 then.
We'll do a part 2 for sure, you guys. Okay, so the next question says, do your kids fully vegan? Wait. I think they meant, are your kids fully vegan? From just. I started from the bottom. It's just this. Look,
All right.
it's
We're
just
gonna
these.
end it up.
It's,
There, you know you full. You didn't eat your corn?
Hey, 1 corn, half, 1 corn and a half.
All right, we're about to end this video. Let's answer these few questions. We did good this video.
My riddles be really good at home.
The camera had died, fam, so we have to start it over.
okay, so
Yeah.
the question was, are your kids fully vegan? And someone asked that.
The answer is
Well, first, before you answer it, yes, you guys, we do know vegan is a lifestyle. It's not just a diet. But as far as eating, kids are fully vegan. Our lifestyle is pretty much vegan. Just remaining
So
old.
you answered a question.
No, I'm just, I did. I just wanted to put that out there because veganism is not just a diet. It's a lifestyle.
We full plant-based eaters for sure.
For sure. Okay, next question is, all right, we already answered that. What grade are they starting? Beautiful family, by the way. Thank you. This is from pasta_gal_. I like that name.
Me too. So you guys, if you guys didn't hear earlier in the video, I'm going to 8th grade on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm going to sing.
Oh my God. Did you have to really sing it? Derry's going to 6th and Lana's going to 8th.
Well, the reason I'm singing is because I'm going to choir. So
Oh
I get to
yeah, his
practice.
elective is choir.
Next
yes,
semester.
Derry. Okay, so there's one more question, y'all. And it says, who's the better cook, mom or dad? Wait, before you answer it, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned for our next video because we are going to answer it on the next video.
You gave my kids like that
Yeah.
a cliffhanger.
Uh-huh.
So you guys, the best cooking.
I know you guys are mad.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video with the kids in it because we'll have them answer after.
You guys, I can't believe this.
We love you guys so much. Thank you for all the questions.
You must don't.
If we didn't answer,
We will.
if we didn't answer everyone's question, we didn't get to yours, don't worry. We are
answer
going to do a part 2. We love you guys. Please make sure you follow our Instagram. We keep most up to date on there. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Subscribe to the channel if you
Make
haven't
sure
already.
you subscribe because you just got left on a cliffhanger. Look
Turn
at
on
this.
your post notification bells. That way you know whenever we post a new video and y'all can tune in right away. We love you
that
guys.
too.
If you stayed till the end, go ahead and what y'all want them to write?
I want y'all to write.
Y'all crazy. What do you want them to write?
Alright, you guys. So I want you guys to write in the comments, Marie, why you do me like that?
Write that down below in the comments if you got this far. We love you guys and we out of here.
Wait.
Alaska Vista.
Peace.
Perfect video.